So we've just been outside and fed the birds. Yes, the birds are nice and busy down the garden. Now I have to clean my fireplace. I do. But I want to show you something. Mr. Badusha's been playing again. He has. He's adapted. He has, bless him. He says he keeps getting bunged up. It's no good. It's not very good for you. So he's tried to do it so it doesn't get bunged up now. So I have the pipe. I have the pipe. I do. I've just managed to get dust all over me. So I have the pipe now separate to the actual nozzle in the wall. Okay. So I'm going to move my buckets and I'm going to see if I can show you what he's done. So I need to move my wood because I'm not building a fire up either. I'll do that tonight, or Mr. Producer can. So can you see that white there? So that is the same as before, kind of. But what he's done is he's put a long white pipe in it now instead. Okay. So now what I have to do is I get my pipe and I push up that into there. So now that does the suction. How cool! Yes. So yeah, it's a bit noisier for some reason. I don't know why it's so noisy. There we go. Turn it off a minute. I found a dead wasp. Right. There's the first thing up. So we're going to put my filter back on. That's why it's noisy, because of my filter. Now I've got some big bits here that I don't want to go up. So far so good. Right. So the idea is, you see, if it gets bunged up, that I can take that end out and put this end in. I feel like I'm shouting. Am I shouting? And then it should unblock itself. I'm hoping that is the idea. So we're going to ignore the phone and we're going to Hoover. So we don't need the filter for this bit. Because that's just straight ash, isn't it? Same as down there. And on here. And on there. Right, and we'll see. Look at those big bits of charcoal. They would be fun at my Hoover. They would be really fun at my Hoover, they would. So much fun. Unbung the filter. Look, there's a big one. There we go. Yeah, that one I tried to get up. I might actually get my hands in and get some of the big ones out, you know. Good job I don't worry about my nails, isn't it, really? Good exfoliator for the hands. Right, well, we're going back in. And so we're blocked up again. I know it sounds silly to say, but it's very white, this ash. It is. Joyful, joyful, we are joyful. Now, it's been lovely and warm in the day here. It has. We know at night time it has been getting really, really cold. So I'm very grateful to this fire. I am. So we're just going to hoover up the ash from the tray now. And it's all little bits, so it's fine. And there seems to be a lot of stapling. And I don't know why there's a lot of staples. Why would there be a lot of staples? Oh, it's probably from the paper, isn't it? Right. So let's get inside here now. Wow, that got a lot up. Nice. Nail. Right, so I'm thinking, oh, there's a bit down there. That's better. Yep, I think that's it. Bit floppy. Right, let's put this back in. Close this up for a minute. I know I'm going to wipe it all down yet, but I just want to... give it a quick hoover all over. There we go. Right, so I say that that has been a success. Would you not say that has been a success? I think so. I'm just going to hoover up this bit in a minute. Yeah. Right. So now we just pull. She says. So we pull that out. Take the pipe out. And we turn it off. Now we're going to stand the black bit on there and pull the wood back. Okay. I think that was a success. The only thing is, whenever we do the fire, that has got to go back with the actual hoover outside, the black pipe. So it has created another job in one way, but it solved a job in another way. That does make sense. Right, so I want my water now. Hoovering's done. Let's put my snake over there. Warm water as well. Very warm water. Warm up my cold hands. Top. There we go. Move that all down. And we're done. How cool is that? All nice and clean. Ready to build tonight, yes. Not too bad. Bits of charcoal. But yeah, all done. Ta-da! Nice clean fireplace again. Thank you for joining me, my lovelies. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and my amazing Patreon, all at Adelesexyuk. Goodbye for now. He's not turning off. Hi now. Nope. You're not going.